Mr. Boffman just, good morning, Mr. Petway. Good morning, council.
Good morning.
Let's see. He just sent me something on Reader. And I'll just wait for you, Ms. Nash.
You want the file?
Yes,
The Reader?
I think I need his SOS.
Okay, absolutely. You want the file?
Yes, I'll take it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, I just need an SOS.
Okay, I can do that right now.
Yeah.
36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking around, driving a car, listening to electronic devices. When your name is called, please give your undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor. Let's see.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. Good morning, Mr. Barry. This is the
Morning,
people
Your
versus. Morning. This is the people versus Diamond Denton L. Ticket number 20714-783. Count 1, driver license suspended. Count 2, improper plate. Good morning. Please say your name to the record, starting with Attorney Barry.
L.S. Barry Jr., P28880, on behalf of Ms. Denson L. Your Honor, the defendant would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to the improper plates and the driver's license matter to be dismissed.
All right. Raise your right hand, Ms. Denton L. Swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you put your hand down? You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Barry today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am, I am actually guilty.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of July 4th, 2020 at 1:20 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Grand River and Mendota in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you driving? Okay, I can't, a 2004 Pontiac vehicle?
It was a 2006 Pontiac Grand Prix.
Okay, and did you have improper plates on that vehicle?
That is correct. I did have improper plates. Yes, ma'am.
You're satisfied, Mr. Barry?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied. The factual basis, you stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So it's dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a $200 fine. Ms. Dentonell, can you have that fine paid by October 14th?
Yes, ma'am, I can. I'll pay it before then.
Okay. Did you have any questions?
No, so once I pay this, I'll be able to get my license back?
So you may have to pay some reinstatement fees, but
Okay.
if you look on the website, look your name up, it'll have like all the fees that you may have to pay. And, right, you would just need to contact Secretary of State to see what the process is to get your license back.
Okay. No, ma'am, no more questions.
Okay, so you're all set.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good luck to you.
Yes, ma'am, you as well. Bye-bye.
Thank you. This is. Okay, this is the people versus Charles Roach. Ticket number P1173044, count 1, failure to tarp load, count 2, failed to secure load. Good afternoon or good morning. Please say your name to the record, starting with Attorney Barry.
L.S. Barry Jr., on behalf of Mr. Roach. State your full name, Mr. Roach.
Charles Henry Roach III.
Your Honor, Mr. Roach would avail himself of the prosecutor's offer to allow him to enter a plea to the failure to tarp load based on a 3-month delayed sentence.
All right, Mr. Roach, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Berry today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of March 11th, 2021 at 3:11 p.m. On that date and time, you at near location of Georgia at the same zero.
Judge, I didn't hear the name of the street. It was,
Were you at or near the location of Georgia and St. Cyril Avenue in the city of Detroit?
I believe that's where it was.
Were you driving a 2006 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
Did you fail to tarp the load on that vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
You satisfied, Mr. Berry?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Take the proper cause as to the remaining ticket to be dismissed
So stipulated, Your Honor.
without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. So, Mr. Roach, this is a 3-month delayed sentence. There is going to be a $200 fine. You need to also get no more citations, no tickets, essentially no further police contact. And if you pay the fine, have no further police contact, this will be dismissed. So let me find a date for us to come back. We'll do December 15th at 8:35.
Okay.
Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am. No, Your Honor.
Okay, so you are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. Denzel, you can hang up.